James with Outdoor Lead Slinger here, and I got my doggy Linus, and we're here to fish this little area. And there's a spot we can fish off over there too. We're using a live bait today, and on this Durango rod with a Shimano reel. So basically, what's been happening is I've been coming out to fish on this creek, but I believe the waters haven't warmed up all the way. I've been getting skunked for the last 4 days. I've been coming out here. I recorded a couple videos, but no luck, so I didn't post anything. I didn't want to just post me walking around. And I did a couple introductions for Linus that I didn't get to post. I'll probably post them at the end of this video, but so I adopted him February 22nd on February 22nd at 6 p.m. What we liked about him was that he was a sweetheart and he was very gentle with my baby and my wife, and that sold us. We wasn't looking to get a dog that day. We were just browsing and we seen him, and it was kind of an impulse buy. Like we kind of just had to have him, you know. And he's a new member of our family, and he loves to come out fishing with me. He's good. He listens, you know. He likes to go for walks. He's just a good boy all the way around. All right, let's get to fishing. How I like to rig up my creek rig. I don't know if anybody does this or if I'm the only one, but I like to put my hook above my weight. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that's how I like to do it. So let's get this baited up and see if they're finally biting today, or if I'm just spinning my wheels. Oh, this one's a fire. I like that. He's gonna put on a good show for these fish. They're in here. So today we're trying to catch some bait fish so we can go fishing either Saturday or Sunday, and try to catch something. I want to show my new pupper what a catfish looks like and why we spend all day on these creeks. You know, I don't want him thinking that we're just wasting time out here. So, yeah. Let me see. And this is kind of a narrow castway. I don't know if you can see, but this tree right here is kind of like blocking the path right there. There's all this brush and branches and stuff right there. I got you, buddy. I know you want me to pet you. It's okay. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, sure. And I'm gonna cast out. I'm gonna cast this out and leave it and let my see what happens. Oh, well, that worked. Works out either way. What I like about this area is that there's a lot of, can't really see through it, but I'm guessing that there's a lot of seaweed right here. There's a lot of seaweed bed. There's some brush. There's some I don't know this damn one for you. Yeah, there's a lot of branches, wood, fallen trees and stuff right here. That's what I like about this area. And it looks like there's seaweed down there. I don't think you guys can see, but I can see a little bit. So I like to come here because this is one of the deeper parts of the creek. It's like one of the deepest parts that I've found. I know there's more deeper. Oh, are you making my rod shake? Are you making my rod shake? You trying to fool me? It ain't April Fool's yet, buddy. Anyways, oh, no, that's a bite. That's a bite. Oh, yeah, we got a bite. What is it? Ooh, we got a juicy creek chub. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that's a keeper. That's a creek chub. Yep. You see it, guys? Let me see. Put my rod down real quick. Just want to show you guys. A little squirmy fella. Yeah, look at him. There we go. He's about 9 inches. No, he's actually about 11 to 12. Yeah, he's a good size. He's been eating pretty good. Look at him. Oh yeah, buddy. I'm keeping you. All right. Little difficult, but I did it. I forgot my stringer. Don't know where it's at. But I made a homemade stringer with this stick. I pulled off a branch, my string, and where's my fish? Oh, right there. Right there. Between them two leaves, between these two leaves, you see them right there. Pull them just so you guys can see. No hook. I just hooked him through the. I didn't use a hook. I just put the line through his gill and through his mouth, and just tied it. And well, tied a knot right there, and now it's keeping him alive. So let's keep fishing. There we go. I like this reel. I wish I could buy. I wish I could find another one, like conveniently. You know, the fact that it's like it reels, like you can feel the play in the little handle. I don't know what to call this part right here, but you can definitely feel the play in it. So it's like it's working against me a little bit, but I like it because it makes me reel in really slow. Okay, we're gonna move spots in about 10 minutes if I don't get lucky. I'm gonna try to cast out over there because there's rocks over there, and I know these sunfish like to hang out near rocky areas, near heavy seaweed beds, fallen debris. I almost got snagged there. Okay. Ooh. You want some attention, buddy? Oh no. Let me see. Let me fix your collar. You want some water? Let me get you some water. Come on. Over here. I don't know if we should move to the other spot and then we settle down there, but I'll just go ahead and get you water right here. We got 3 bottles, so it doesn't mean nothing to me. Always plan ahead. Bring plenty of water for your hikes and your dog. If you got a dog and you're walking with a dog to go fishing, you don't want them getting thirsty and trying to drink from the creek or the lake. They can get viruses and parasites very easily. It's good to get them vaccinated for those if, what's it called, if we're going out. I went and bought a reel from Walmart, and it was the most crappiest reel that I've ever had. Or maybe it wasn't the reel itself. I think it was maybe just the line that came attached to it. I mean, I'm a little cheapskate sometimes, so I like to save a little bit of money. And I just bought a $10 reel, one of those Durango red ones from Walmart. 10 out of 10 would not recommend. I'll tell you that right now. It was complete poop. Anyways, I'm probably gonna try to move. I'm gonna try to pull it out, and if it breaks the line, we'll just have to replace the hook and go back to our original setup. Oh, came loose. Oh, caught something. Oh, let go. Caught something really just right there. Let me see if I can cast it out. Right there. Perfect. Oh, got it. Got it. Oh, look at that. He's a real big fucking... That gotta be a sunfish. I'm pretty sure it is. This is what we were looking for. Oh my God, that dude is massive. In this creek, they don't get bigger than like, he got a little thing going on with his gill here. What the hell going on? He got a... But yeah, this guy's massive. Like, I know my hands are about 8.8 inches. Got 8-inch hands, and he's about just a little bit off from where my palm starts to the tip of my finger. He's short on the tip of my finger, but look at that. Hell yeah. Give me a second, buddy. You're going on the street. I ended up coming back over here because when I went over there, I did not get a single bite. So I came over here and I'm already getting bites again. And like you can see, my worm's pretty beat up. You can tell they chomped down on them pretty good. So try to rehook them a little bit better. Once again. I'm not sure what that is down there making those bubbles. I'll put it back in the shit bucket. Oh, sorry, boy. Didn't mean to do that. We'll reel it in, catch it in again. It's about to be 1 o'clock, so something don't get jumping again. It's looking like it's about to be my time. I was just getting bites right now. I was just getting look at my worm. Yep, certified. I'm getting bit. Let me put it like that, expose a little bit of hook. Cast it back out right there. Oop, got a little. And before this video ends, yes, Linus did get his bone. Go ahead. Lay down.